know how to do a GoPro, bro.
Alright, you got it. Don't cover that thing over there. Don't cover the lens. Yeah.
Do I push it right here?
No, it's already gone.
Oh. Right, make you look bad, right?
Hell yeah.
Man, how do you stop this thing?
I don't know.
Oh, I just recorded myself. How do you do it?